my God, look at those big elephant head. Let me see. Alocasia. Yeah, they call them alocasia, but all elephant head. Look at this. 44.98. But this one have a different color. Look at the bark. Like dark. It's beautiful. You can tell this thing is going to be big. All right, guys, I am right there in the fruit tree section. Right here, they got the magnolia. Oh, they have a smell to it. They got the magnolia. I can say that thing really good. 38.98. They're beautiful. And of course, I'm right there by the fruit trees. They got some apple. They got some plum. Let me see what is the price for this year. Oh yeah, the price for this year or 38.98. All right, though I think this was like 32 or something, but it isn't. Well, yeah, but they got really nice size to them, guys, and some of them even have some flowers already. Of course, peach already have flowers. I mean, if you got space, you get one of those big one. Of course, you will have fruit this year for sure. Oh, those are plum. Those are Medley plum right here. 38.98, guys. If you have space, you want to plant some fruit trees, come here and check them out. And of course, yes, more. They got some avocado. You see, got the trees. I told you guys you will have some fruits. The peach already have some peaches on it, like I did at home. They got avocado. Even the avocado are flowers. Can you guys believe that? They got loquat and more and more. Thank you, friends, for watching.